In 2000, Act 228 made medical cannabis legal in Hawaii. Today, medical cannabis patients and their caregivers are still prosecuted by the state of Hawaii.
The chemists press the pills while the hippies in the hills plant the next generation, grow the next strain.
We are the hiccup in the system. We're not going to stand silent. We're going to fix this, and we're going to do whatever it takes to make these guys stop picking on medical cannabis users.
We've got those hippies in the hills and them doctors scripting pills down in the valley below. Grab your horse and you're a vaporizer. Come on, let's go.
All right, well, we got to remember that in the year 2000, legislators copied California state law, and I believe it's word for word. And they allowed us, they said we can have compassionate use of cannabis and access to an uninterrupted supply. This was in the year 2000. Sadly, our Attorney General stood silent on how you're allowed to acquire cannabis, and therefore the police and prosecutors, there's a reason he stood silent, so that the police and prosecutors could target medical cannabis patients and administrative forfeiture and matching funds profit off of medical cannabis users. And they've been doing that for 19 years now. They've stood silent. And so we're not going to stand silent. We're the hiccup in the system, and what we're going to do is make them. I'm filing lawsuits, I'm in their face, I'm at court, I'm in criminal court, and we're trying to make them stand up and say, how do medical cannabis patients in the state of Hawaii acquire cannabis? To this day, they've yet to say how. They've yet to give us a way. And they believe that by standing silent, it means there is no way. Well, we disagree. We believe because they stood silent, we believe you can do it any way you want. And so we're going to try to push that thought forward, and we're going to try to make it to where people can have safe access to safe medicine. You got to remember, you have prescription medicine, and Western medicine has let you down. Over 50 people a day die from opioid abuse. Prescription medicine is killing over 50 people a day in America. And so I'm just pointing out, Western medicine, they're killing you. All they want to do is addict you. What do they say? I saw some stat on the news. They say 4 out of 5 Americans take pills. 4 out of 5 Americans take prescription pills. And you got to remember this, prescription pills, be it doesn't matter what it is, if it's destined for America, they jack the price 10 times.
Take your morphine and Demerol. Don't forget your oxycodone. You can travel, never leave home. I've got those hippies in the hills and them doctors scripting pills down in the valley below. Grab your horse and your flask and your vaporizer. Come on, let's go. Hippies in the hills.
All right.
All right, are we ready for the song?